Chalo namre. Okay, good morning, friends. Now you see how we have to be explain or write the things related to the maps. First point, friends. The given map comprises, you see, this is the north direction. You calculate the distance from north to south. First point. Somewhere it is 14 centimeter. The given area comprising 1.4 kilometer from north to south, because scale is 1 centimeter equal to 100 meters. It is 1400 meters. Now here you see it is somewhere 19.5, means from east to west the given area is 2 kilometers nearly. From north to south 1.5, from east to west it is 2 kilometers. And we have drawn the geological section map along XY direction. XY direction means automatically X is coming from this side. It is southwest. Y is towards northeast. So we have drawn the section map along with southwest to northeast direction. In this given area, small one mold we have come across. Highest counter value means height from the mean sea level is 420 meters, and gradually it is decreases. This is the highest peak. This side towards X there is a slope, gentle slope, and towards Y also we have the gentle slope. Okay, how long we can extend our map? Up to 150 meter height from the mean sea level. It is here. If you cut that area, you can see the cross section like this. Second point. Here, continuous lines are the bedding planes. Discontinuous lines are the counter values, the counter lines. Since both are parallel to each other, here beds are deposited horizontally. Third point. Bedding plane A, which is situated, please do see, which is situated in between, B by A is in between 210 and 180. 210 and 180. It means the values are here, okay, less when I compare to this. That they are deposited at the bottom, means bed A is deposited at the bottom. Similarly, bed F is deposited at the top, 420 meters height from the mean sea level. Hence, A is the oldest map and F is the youngest map, friends. Okay, second point you have to be right. And third, after the deposition, we are not coming across any destructions because we are not getting any inclination of the beds. There is no fault, fold, and unconformity as well as the joints. We are not coming across any such structural features. Hence, these beds are deposited intact. We are not getting any destructive sign after the deposition of beds. Next step, after drawing, we are getting the thickness of this beds. Bed B is having here, according to the scale, 0.8 centimeter, means 80 meters thickness. C is 30 meter thickness, D is 60, E is 30. We have calculated after drawing. Whether it is right or wrong, very easily we will come across without doing any calculation in this map. Friends, you see, if you want to see the thickness of E bed is situated this line to this line. Okay, this is the thickness. How can I see the thickness? Within this, only one counter line is passes. So one counter line value here is 30 because counter interval is 30. Hence, the thickness of bed E is 30. Similarly, thickness of D bed is 60 because two counter lines which are passes in between these two lines. It is supposed to be 60. We have got it to 60. E we have got it to 30. Okay, again C. Again C. Bed C. Just to see, only one counter line is passes in between. Hence, thickness of the C is only 30. We have got it here 30. We have done it right. Whereas B, from this point to this point, there are three counter lines which are passes in between. It is supposed to be 90 meters. Okay, if you do get somewhere 80 to 100, we are considering plus or minus 10. Here we got 80. Of course, we do consider. But if you draw it exactly, it is somewhere 90 meters. You are supposed to be get the thickness, friends. So this is how we can cross check with the simple map. Okay, now you have to be write these few points while you are writing the geology and morphology of the area. Now once again you see the line which we have drawn is the profile. In that area, a small mold with a gentle inclination you do find. Highest value is 420 here and lowest value is 150 here. Okay, this is the counter. According to the counter values we can come across. Okay, all right friends, thank you.